welcome to Spanos Antics, the Volvo. So we stripped it apart in the last episode. Next, we need to get this front suspension out, clean them up and weld in the reinforcements. We also could do with pulling the gearbox off the engine and just seeing how bad that clutch is. Got to wrestle out these control arms. I have had these out before. Have I had them out? No, I think I just chopped the springs in situ. That's not how you do it instantly. We need to get these control arms out. We need to get these out because they're off to the blasters, and I'm going to strengthen them up as well. So that one looks like a bastard. Oh well. Let's start undoing stuff. This thingy. You guy in Wimborne, you've been to his place before, I think. The guy in Wimborne? You've been there. It's not very exciting. Oh, I took it home anyway because I was. Right, well I've got the arm loose off the wishbone, so I just need to undo the top mount and drop it out. One suspension leg. One suspension leg out. Oh, just try and get this wishbone out. Wiggle that wishbone. Boom. Out. So everything's out. Now as I've stripped pretty much everything out, I've decided to also drop that cross member. Might as well while we're here. So let's pop that out. All these bits are ready to have the reinforcements put in. Okay, now these are all cleaned up and ready for the plates. That one goes there. There we go. Yeah.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas.
Well, that was a good little burning in session. So these plates are from a company called Bad Decision Works. I bought them ages ago. I've had them stashed out of the way, but since we're blowing it apart, I decided it was time to do all this. So the rear trailing arms have been reinforced, top and bottom. Don't judge my welding. I'm an average welder, but it's strong, so that's all that matters. I haven't cleaned that side up yet, but you get the idea. And then the front control arms have these plates that just go on the top. They're a surprisingly good fit. I'm very happy with them. He does a nice work. From what I remember, they weren't too expensive, so I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, sweet. Right, now to get this and all of this off to powder. What's on? Wow, I'm super excited. I've just got back from my friend, NOSVW, link below. His cousin does a lot of powder coating for me. These are all the bits that came off the Volvo. It's pretty much as exciting as Christmas. Unwrapping powder coating. I love it. It always looks rude. So let's do some unwrapping. The question is, what colour did I go? You might be able to already see, but we didn't go standard satin black on this one. Does it look good? I don't know. You decide. Put in the comments whether you think it's a nice colour or not so nice. Right. Let's commence the unboxing. Everything's paired, so there's no point on doing everything. Let's start with backing plate. Boom. These are the original backing plates off the car from day one. So they've been blasted, then like a rust-proof primer, and then powder coated to match the wheels. Piece number one. Looks good. Matching. Oh, this is a piece that, the gearbox cradle, sorry. This means the 940 drive shaft attaches to a 240. Sexy. Next up, front suspension arm bracket jobby. Now I just half pushed that push out because it needs a new one, so it kept no powder getting in there. Look at that. Road school. Ooh, this one. An X-frame. Pow! That's to go on the front of the car to strengthen it all up. Very nice. Next one, as you probably saw in the video before, these suspension arms have had a lot of work. We took them all apart, we welded up, cut the old the reinforcements out, and we welded in new strengtheners. Look at that. Now that looks badass. And these are from Bad Decision Works, these reinforcement plates. Wowza. These were all kinds of crust. They look amazing. I am very happy with them. Woo! Sexy. Let's look at the front control arm. I tell you what, powder coating makes my welding look good. There we go. This is another one we put a plate on top. Sweet. Needs new bushes, obviously. I only left them in there so that paint wouldn't go, powder wouldn't go inside. But yeah, you can see all the stamps on them. What's next? Now this thing was absolutely disgusting and absolutely drenched in oil and scuds and 30 years of road life. Woo! Wow. That looks brand new. So here we go, all the parts. Vaguely laid up as they would be in the car, just for shits and giggles. So what's next to all these bits? We've got to change a load of the bushes, which I just left in to stop them getting powder in. And then we can start reassembling the Volvo. Right, the engine's out. The next step is to take this gearbox off and have a look at why this clutch failed. I'm pretty sure I know why. let's have a look. Look at the, see, looks like this, look at the amount of smoky, oily, well, no, look at the amount of residue that's come out from when it burned. Now there's only 4 bolts on this gearbox, so it's not a very big job. Let's, I think it's 4. Is it 4? Yeah, let's whip it off. I put a bit of sealant on them as well, a bit of Loctite. Didn't really want them coming undone. Oh, it smells like burnt clutch. Big time. There's a lot of stuff falling out the bottom of this. Right on the dowels. There it is. Let's have a closer look. So, this side, you can see there's some serious mass breakdown. There's like chunks coming off it. All the way to the rivets there, look. That's toast. The important thing is, how buggered is this? So there we go. She dead, clutch. What the flywheel looks like. Gonna have a little look at the flywheel. It's actually not as horrendous as I thought, the flywheel. We're not using it anyway, but yeah. She dead. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Spanos Antics. Don't forget, like. Every like helps me out a ton. That would be great. Also hit the subscribe button while you're there. And that's it. Take it easy.